In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to see your trade history in Bitget. Alright, so first up, go log into bitget.com. And then once you're in here or once logged in, just go ahead over to the top right. You have here this icon, okay, which is a file with a time or clock icon. So just hover your mouse onto it. For example, you wanted to look for your spot trade history, okay, or some other options right here. It's up to you. Just for example, we have here spot. So click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, here you will have your open orders, order history, order details, and transactions, okay? Also deposits and withdrawal records. And by the way, for example, you have here your open orders. Just click on the drop down and you could go ahead and filter it out to just a trigger order or maybe TPSL or maybe just TWAP, okay? At the base right here, we have Bitcoin and some other options, okay? You could go ahead and use the search bar as well. For example, you wanted to check your open orders for TPSL, USDT, and the code would be BTC or just USDT as well. And the category, limit price, market price, okay? And just click on search and you will have the result right here, okay? Now, if you want to download your transaction, well, just go ahead over to transactions right here, filter it out once more, and then hit on download, okay? When you go ahead and filter it out, now once you click on download, you can go ahead and select all time, select the coin or specific coin, and just click on generate, okay? And once you click on it, just wait for a notification right here at the top right, and you will be able to see or receive a link where you can just go ahead and click and download the file. And also you can go ahead and check your email and you will have the same exact message. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to see your trade history in Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.